So you cannot say that we are the same. Eh? What we are saying is she is an agent who's a relief agent for the others. Now she can go into let her go into a class. Tuende tumpeleke kwa class. Yeah. Na relief mwingine akuja kaa nje, unataka kuleta kelele hapa. Mheshimiwa umesikia vile amesema? Umesikia vile amesema? Anakubaliwa kwa inside class. Tunampeleka
tunasikia sauti moja.
Correct.
Unaona we are not keeping it.
Kwa sababu they have also received issues. There are some areas, some of your agents, sitaki kusema ni nani.
It's the truth.
Wanakataza other agents to witness the process. We agreed yesterday and we talked. As much as we are complaining here, to Kitan also to enter another area, there are issues coming up. But what other agents at the polling station, they have sat with the POs and they have agreed and sorted the issue among themselves.
You know our complaint.
I get your complaint.
Give a ruling as the police will
Mheshimiwa. No, I want you to listen to me. You cannot come before you and you are talking continuous. You must listen to the complainants.
Listen to both sides.
Gladys is a figure of influence.
Yes.
Which he also is a figure of influence.
But
I'm authorized.
I'm authorized to be here.
Yeah, she's also authorized to be at the center. Si amepewa barua leo umeambiwa.
Nienda ingie ndani ya classroom ama akae kwa mfano.
Wacha huyu yake iko.
Let me see.
Wewe mpigie tu simu akuletee.
Watu wanajali makaratasi nyingi watembea nazo. Roaming.
You are my colleague, talk to me.
I can't
stop shouting.
But then you want to meet people about the nominated to body.
There has been some allegations.
Have you registered?
I am an agent.
Have you go register as an agent? Because you're not on breakfast.
We
have a number. Yes, so once has two ODM agents, then nobody else must be registered as an agent.
No, but you cannot sit here.